Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for joining me on another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got a brand new unboxing knife, courtesy of Scrappy. Scrappy got this for me. Went to, I forgot what he called it, somewhere, and said he got me a new unboxing knife. So we're going to get into unboxing the boxing knife. There's no more details to give than that. So without further ado, this is going to be a very short video, guys. Let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey, guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me on the Eagle Eye View. This is going to be a very short unboxing, like I said, and this is how the package looked, guys. I don't know. Let's go ahead and open it up. And okay, I got a Spider-Man or Venom theme knife. Okay, guys, you have a window breaker right here in the car. You hit this with the window brake, shatter your window, and you have the seatbelt cutter as well. Cut the seatbelt right off. And so this is how it looks. I do like it. Again, thank you, Scrap, for it. There go the serial number right there. Steel blade, and it's made in probably China. There go the blade right there. I like that, guys. What do y'all think about this knife? It says made in China, so we're going to take that made in China off real quick. All right. Let's go ahead and try to get that off here. There we go. All right, so this is how the knife looked, guys. I really do like the knife. And like I said, this is going to be a very short unboxing. What do you think about the knife, guys? I think this would make a good unboxing knife. All right, so let's get to the regular view. And let's get out of here. Yo, we're back. Just give you my thought on my new unboxing knife. And I do like it, guys. I don't have a Spider-Man themed knife. So that's how it goes. You put it in. I should have probably showed that on the Eagle Eye View, but very, very nice. Now, if you want one of these, I think Turkey Creek has one, or Snake Eye Tactical. I'll put both of the links in the description down below. See if you want one of these knives. All right. Again, once thanks Scrappy for getting me a new unboxing knife. Haven't done a knife unboxing in a while, guys. Hey, but before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new current and new subscriber for rocking with the channel. And guys, before I get into the last bit, do me a favor. Please hit the notification bell, wherever it is on your screen, so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, I got a brand new unboxing coming out soon. I think you're going to like it. So you hit the notification bell, hit for all the notifications, and you will get that soon too. You have a good day. Peace.